welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am finally ready to share this bohemian style balloon garland setup with you guys. You've been asking for something like this for quite a while. The day is finally here. I received every single item that I needed for this video on time. Super stoked about that. I don't have to go back and forth from my brother's house where I was setting up to my house and catch all of those packages that would come in throughout the day and just rush back and include those items in the setup. So everything's here. I'm happy. I will be using Vitalitics and Politics in today's video. I will link and list everything in the description under this video. Balloons came from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. If you're a new customer to lpballoons.com, if this is your first purchase from them, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's absolutely and totally up to you if you want to use this code or not. Without any further ado, let's go. Let's quickly go through all of the props that I have here. Most of my stuff came from Amazon except this guy over here. I got this basket from Home Goods. I got it for $14. They gave me a discount because this basket looks pretty rough all around, but on video it looks wonderful. The rest of the stuff, I don't remember the prices. I will leave all the links in the description under this video, so go ahead and check it out. So we have this beautiful thrower. We have pillowcases, two lanterns. This one is absolutely stunning. I thought this one will be a little bit bigger, but it works. I have this rug, this seating puff, and tassels to match everything. In the box, we have some balloons, Qualitics and Vitalitics, in blush, mocha brown, white sand, and eucalyptus. We have 11, 5, and 24-inch balloons here. All right, so here's what I decided. I decided that I would get rid of blush color from Qualitics because I feel like mocha brown, eucalyptus, and white sand will work together the best. I might grab with me blush and see if I want to add as like pops of blush in this balloon garland, but we'll see. So here's what I'm doing. I am grabbing mocha brown. I'm starting to inflate my balloons at the same time into different sizes. Step is absolutely and totally optional. You can press your balloons against the floor to give your balloons more rounder shape. You don't have to do this. Once you press your balloons or you decided not to press them, you need to tie these balloons together into a pair. I am tying these balloons pretty close together because I would need to have really nice, long and stretchy necks for construction of our balloon garland. I am inflating more balloons. Once I have some of the pairs of balloons ready, I am grabbing two different sizes pairs of balloons and I am starting to intertwine them together nice and tight. Now I have a quad. Grabbing another pair and adding into this quad to create smaller cluster of balloons. Once in a while, I will be making smaller clusters of balloons and some I will create bigger size. Now I am grabbing fourth pair of balloons and adding into this cluster right here. Now I am creating a bigger cluster of balloons. I love to use bigger clusters of balloons to construct the bases of my balloon garland. That way, my balloon garland will be constructed faster and fuller. So into something like this, make sure you intertwine your balloons really nice and tight because you don't want your balloons untangle and go places. I will be making this deluxe white sand color, the main color with the mocha brown. And I will be adding here and there my deluxe eucalyptus. These balloons and my tracksuit in dark blue color, not the best thing because all the powders on me. So let me go change quickly into something more appropriate for blowing the balloons and I'll be back and I'll inflate more balloons. ready and inflated. I didn't catch on camera, but I took my 24 white sand balloons and inflated them into different sizes as well. This one is inflated to 24 inch, and this one is more like of a 19 inch. That way I have more variety of sizes of balloons. Now I am grabbing my white bag. I will link this bag in the description under this video. And I am packing all of my balloons to transport to my brother's house. My balloon garland, I will be using next of balloons from clusters that I've made at home. I stopped using fishing line. I stopped using 260s. This method is absolutely the best for constructing balloon garlands in my opinion. I've tried so many techniques. This one is my favorite. So I am reaching in and finding the longest, the stretchiest necks in my clusters and tying my necks of balloons together. And this is how it will look like. I hope you can see. It's kind of hard to show it to you, but these both clusters are very snug together and they're not going anywhere. I am going white sand, mocha, so on and so on. I will be repeating this process, what I did here, until I will be happy with the length of my balloon garland. Often ask me, how do you construct your balloon garland against the grass and your balloons are not popping? You can absolutely line your grass with a tarp, with plastic, with, I don't know, a piece of fabric or something like that. For me, I never line my ground. The one very important thing to prevent balloons popping from grass is using good quality balloons. Good quality balloons can make your balloon garland or break it, you know what I mean? By the way, you guys, this is the spot where I will be constructing and setting up for today's video. Pretty cute spot. Here goes the installation. Simply tying my balloon garland to the wooden wall with fishing line in 3 spots, top, middle, bottom. Adding extra clusters of balloons by the necks of balloons from clusters to build the volume. My 24-inch balloons, I am using a rubber band. You can use a 260 as well. I am folding my rubber band in half, wrapping this rubber band around the knot of my balloon, taking one end and going through this loop over here, pulling on my rubber band to secure the knot right here, and voila, now I have this loop and I can go and loop this balloon over any of the balloons on my balloon garland and they will hold very, very good. Look how much balloon garland changes after adding a larger size of balloons to the garland. Time to add pops of eucalyptus color. I am not going heavy with this color, here and there to complement other colors. Now I am switching gears, so I decided to stop working with balloons and add details into this setup. I like to do that because it helps me to see the whole picture and where I need to add more balloons. When thinking about bohemian style, I am thinking about pampas grass immediately. So here I am trying to shake all of those fuzzies out because this batch of pampas grass were completely new from the package. Here comes my husband, brought me extra batteries for my camera, adding more pampas and more balloons. Added a mini balloon garland to egg chair by tying with fishing line, adding more pampas grass, simply pushing pampas between balloons, and also can't forget to add more details into larger balloon garland. Here's a quick run through before I'll add more changes to the setup. decided to add more balloons, plus I added my uplighting, and it looks incredible. And of course, I had to include a little bit of cleanup in this video. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, you guys, give it a thumbs up. They always help. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below for more videos, and I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!